Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. An age-old problem, and especially it bugs me. If I want to grab this logo and click on it with the pick tool, I didn't really grab the logo. I'm going to hit delete. I grabbed the line that's around the logo. The only way you can really do it otherwise would be to take your pick tool and make a marquee box around there. And then you've got the logo and you can change the color or move it or size it. So the Alt key, very important in a lot of Corel uses. One of them, if I hold down the Alt key, it's going to select the logo and then I can change the color or make it bigger. The Alt key is kind of like anything I touch, I will grab. So if I want to grab this line, I've got to either pick right on the line or I've got to draw a marquee around it to hit delete. I can't just grab part of the line. But if I held down the Alt key, I can just grab a little bitty part and it will grab that line. So Alt key, just swipe through it, delete. Same thing exactly here. And on this particular logo, no big deal because you could marquee it. But if you had a lot of other boxes around it or items, you can't really do that. So if I don't use the Alt key, I get the box. If I hold down the Alt key, I get the logo. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.